So I just bought an EOS R, and before I bought it, one of the main things I saw people complaining about was the fact that the 120p slow-mo was only available at 720p. Since buying it, I actually think the 720p slow-mo is really good, and I want to know if you guys can tell the difference between my old Lumix G9 Full HD slow-mo and my new EOS R 720p slow-mo. So I'm going to throw up two clips now, A and B, and I want you guys to comment on which you think is which before the answer comes out. No cheating. So here come the clips now. Okay, so could you tell the difference? I think you're lying. I don't think you could. I don't think I'm going to get any complaints from clients with this. I don't think you're going to notice if I slip in some 720p slow-mo in my videos. I don't think it's an issue. I think the quality of that 720p is actually as good, if not better, than the 1080 G9 slow-mo. I love the G9, but this new EOS R is banging. So there you have it, 720p slow-mo on the Canon EOS R is very usable, and I'm going to be using it on paid shoots, so sue me. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I've been away for a while. I've just been working around the clock with some new clients, but it's all coming together now, and hopefully I'm going to be uploading a lot more. I will see you in the next one.